You know, one of the greatest advantages we had when we were looking around at different systems was just the level of support. They've been committed to answer our questions, get people in to help us train. They've just been great to work with. Brad Rogers. I'm the Vice President of Structural Systems Repair Group. We're a specialty contractor focused on structural restoration and repair work based out of Cincinnati, Ohio. One of the projects we used the Aquajet cutter on was a large concrete restoration project in a parking garage in Cincinnati, Ohio. The project was quite large as far as the amount of restoration work that was involved. We performed the project in about 12 months versus the original 18 months plan. In the bulk of the projects, we utilized about 6 people versus the 18-person crew that we had planned on using. The Aquajet allowed us to get the project done in a much shorter duration, as well as utilizing far fewer people. The main reason we decided on the Aquajet was our comfort with the parent company now in Brock and the systems they're building, as well as the support we received through the whole process, researching it as an option. It has many advantages, safety being one of them. You know, from a dust standpoint with the new silica standards, it's a great option, you know, to protect our workers across the board. From a productivity standpoint, it is a force multiplier. You know, we're able to do more work with less people. In today's age of it's really hard to find good tradespeople, that's a huge advantage.